Hey Kat, it's your brother here. We decided to make a video for you this year. We decided to go in a different direction and make you a video. And what we wanted to do is kind of do like a behind the scenes of all that went on before your birthday, and which includes me inviting a bunch of celebrities. So let's pan to that right now.
Bonjour.
Hey Jim, it's David.
Oh, hey man. I was just about to call you. That's so weird. Had your number dial, was about to press send. Did you block your number?
Yeah, because you never answer your phone when I call. What are you up to?
Oh, just hanging out in my apartment.
You got my text, right?
What? Text? What?
It's Kat's birthday.
Oh man, that sounds great. I wish I could join you. I'm just so jammed up. I'm totally off the grid, you know what I mean?
No, I don't know what you mean.
I got a bunch of stuff going on. There's this thing I gotta do. Any other night would have been great. Darn it to heck!
She's turning 30. What thing?
Thing, you know, just a thing.
You mean you're not at the video store?
What are you talking about? I'm not at the video store. I'm in my apartment.
Jim, I'm standing outside. I can see you.
That's not me.
It's not?
Oh, I know what's happening. There is this guy who looks just like me who goes a lot of the same video stores that I do. That's probably who you're seeing right now.
Jim, I know you're just moving your lips. Fine, don't come to her party.
Guys, I was just wondering if you wanted to come to my sister's 30th birthday party. We're going to the Mandarin.
Really?
I am
Sort of wonderful.
Oh, it does. It sounds very nice. But I'm flattered that you would even think of me to include me in something like that, Gloria. Thank you. It kills me, however, to have to tell you, I'm sorry. Timing's not. I won't be able to make.
Come on, guys. You guys should come. You'd have a blast. We're going to the Mandarin. There's all kinds of food. My sister's single, but not really. She's got 2 kids. You'll have a blast.
It's gonna be so much fun.
I'm sure it will be fun for the people that are going. I unfortunately can't go. I don't have. I only have this monkey suit. I don't have any clothes.
Don't worry about it, guys. Catherine loves guys in tuxedos. Don't worry about it.
Problem solved.
The problem's not solved. The problem's not
Deal
solved.
us in.
Great. So you guys are going to come. So I'll see you there then.
Let's go. I'm gonna start the car. I'm serious. Let's go.
Hey, man. Just wanted to know if you wanted to come to Catherine's 30th birthday party.
No.
No? You don't even want to think about it?
Can you just promise me something?
Let me guess, you want to bring Bella.
I mean my family and myself.
Well, I guess they can come. So are you gonna come?
No.
Really? No? Why?
You just don't belong in my world.
Okay, let's get one thing straight. This is my sister's birthday party, okay? And I'm a part of her world, so you technically are being brought into my world. So are you gonna come?
No.
Is there some reason? Am I giving off bad blood or something here?
I don't want you to come.
Okay, so it's personal. It's me then. Okay. You know what? I don't want you to come anyway, so.
This is the last time you'll ever see me.
Good. I don't care if I ever see you again. Especially if I see you in Italy. You better not be in Italy, because I'm going to Italy. Okay, after the party. Bye.
Goodbye.
And of course, we had to wait for your birthday to come. I got a little depressed.
There's a possibility. There's a possibility. All that I had was all I gon' get. possibility. There's a possibility. All I gon' need is gon' be yours there. All I gon' need is gon' be yours there. So tell me when you hear my heart stop. You're the only one to know. Tell me when you hear my silence. There's a possibility I wouldn't know.
And then the day was finally here, so we had to start decorating for it. We got a little help from a few people that you might know.
Are you kidding?
Well, I'm not done yet.
Dwight, this fits in the palm of my hand. You haven't blown them up enough. Why have you chosen brown and gray balloons?
They match the carpet.
What is that? It is your birthday,
It's
period.
a statement of fact.
Not even an exclamation point?
This is more professional. It's not like she discovered a cure for cancer.
I can't believe how bad this looks.
Are you trying to hurt my feelings? Because if so, you are succeeding. Fortunately, my feelings regenerate at twice the speed of a normal man's.
Okay, good then.
Have you collected the money from everyone?
I am working on it.
How much do you have?
$6.
That's how much you and I contributed. Damn it, Jim!
I said I was working on it.
And then we just threw in some stuff because it's funny.
I never thought that I could be so satisfied. Every time that I look in your angel eyes, a shock inside me that words just can't describe. And there's no explaining. Something in the way you move I can't deny. Every word from your lips is a lullaby. A twist of fate makes life worthwhile. You are gold and silver. I said I wasn't gonna lose my head, but then pop goes my heart. I wasn't gonna fall in love again, but then pop goes my heart. And I just can't let you go. I can't lose this feeling.
99 Luftballons, ihren Weg zum Horizont hielt man für UFOs aus dem All. Warum schickte ein General?
Cat's birthday! Celebrate! Cat's birthday! Celebrate! If we took a holiday, took some time to celebrate. Just one day out of life. Cat's birthday! It would be so nice. Everybody spread the word. I live in my sister's basement.
Happy birthday, Catherine.
Happy 30th birthday, Catherine. All right. Happy birthday, Catherine.
Happy birthday, Catherine.
Happy 30th birthday.
Happy 30th birthday, Catherine. Happy 30th birthday, Catherine. Happy 30th birthday, Catherine.
Happy 30th birthday, Catherine.
Happy 30th birthday, Catherine.
Catherine Rex, wishing you a happy 30th birthday.
Happy 30th birthday, Catherine.
Cool. Catherine.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Catherine. Happy birthday to you.
So, Catherine, in conclusion, I hope you had a very happy 30th birthday. Hope you liked the video. We'll see you when you're 60, hopefully.